Namaskar. Welcome to Yoga by Devidatt. Today I am going to show you the Ganapa Mudra, which is also known as the Ganesha Mudra. In yoga, we have various asanas, mudras named after various Hindu gods, and this mudra is in honor of Lord Ganesha. So Lord Ganesha is known as the Vignaharta, which is the one who removes all obstacles from the life. Similarly, this mudra helps you to remove the obstacles from your body and your mind. It also helps you to open out the heart chakra by releasing the fear and bringing a lot of confidence. And by boosting the confidence, you can face any situation in your life. It is a very good mudra for your heart and your lungs. So there are two levels of doing this mudra. So please do watch the video till the end to know the two different ways of doing this mudra. Now I am showing the first level of this mudra. So you take the left hand, palm facing away from you at the chest level, and keep the fingers bent. The right hand, the palm is facing towards you, and again the fingers are bent, and you hook these fingers against each other. The palm is at your chest level and not down at the abdomen. This is the mudra. Now what you do is, inhaling you keep the hands and the shoulders relaxed, but as you're exhaling, what you do is you stretch the hands are moving in the opposite direction. So the right hand is moving towards the right side, the left hand is moving towards the left side. So as if there is a tug of war happening. So this is the movement happening. So your eyes are closed, inhaling, the shoulders are relaxed. And as I start exhaling, I start doing the tug of war. Then again inhaling, I relax. And exhaling, I again start pulling the hands in opposite direction. And then inhaling, again relax. Exhaling, starts pulling. And inhaling, again relax. Release the mudra and just keep both the palms on the center of your chest. Just be aware, how is it feeling? And then I change the position of my hand. So this time, the right hand, the palm is facing away from me. The left hand, the palm is facing towards me. I bend the fingers. I hook the fingers. And the same thing, inhaling, shoulders relaxed. Exhaling, start pulling the hands in opposite direction. Inhaling, shoulders relaxed, no tension anywhere. Exhaling, start stretching, start pulling the hands in opposite direction. Inhaling, relax. Exhaling, start pulling the hands. You will feel a good workout for your shoulders, for your elbows. You will feel the workout in your chest also. And then you can just relax the hands and be aware, how is it feeling. So this is the easiest way of doing this mudra. You have to do 6 times each side. So inhale, exhale like this 6 times with the pull. Then the hands on the chest. Be aware, how does it feel. Then change the position, inhale, exhale 6 times. Then the hands down, be in silence for some time. This completes 1 round. So like this you can do couple of rounds throughout the day. Now in the level 2, we'll be adding a mantra, a chanting along with this mudra and along with the breathing that we have done in level 1. So the hand position is same. The chanting is Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. So as you breathe in, The shoulders will be remaining relaxed the way we did in the first level. But as you breathe out, there are two things happening. One is the stretch, one is the pull, which is happening. And along with that, you are also chanting Om Gam Ganapate Namaha. Then you again relax as you breathe in, and again as you breathe out, you are doing the chanting as well as the pull. So let's try. So you close your eyes. So we'll be just doing about 2 times each side. So let's try. So first, keep your shoulders relaxed. See that the palms are at your chest level. Now take a deep breath in. As you are exhaling, you are also pulling and start chanting Om Gam Ganapate Namaha. You relax the shoulders, breathe in. Om Gam Ganapate Namaha. Then you place your palms on your chest. Just experience how does it feel. Be in silence for some time. Then you change the position of your hands. Again, take a deep breath in, keeping your shoulders, neck relaxed. Om Gam Ganapate Namaha. Om Gam Ganapate Namaha. Then keep your hands down and just experience the silence. And then slowly open your eyes. I'm sure you're feeling a lot of calmness in your body and your mind. That's how powerful this mudra is. But remember to do it 6 times each side with a gap in between wherein you're just placing your palms on the heart chakra and being in silence, experiencing the effect of that chanting and the mudra. And after finishing the next set of 6, you're keeping the hands down and again experiencing the effect of the mudra. Just try it out for a few days and let me know how does it feel. Thank you.